Here we go.
The Free State of Jones is directed by Gary Ross, and it stars Matthew McConaughey and is about a poor farmer from Mississippi who leads a group of rebels against the Confederate Army during the late 1860s. Now, this story is based on true events, and apparently the director of this film has spent 10 years studying and trying to find out all this information about this story. The story of the militia led by Newton Knight, which is Matthew McConaughey's character, is actually really interesting, but unfortunately, The Free State of Jones is not. Free State of Jones is a dull and lifeless movie that has a few good moments, but unfortunately the ratio of good to boring as hell is really not in the movie's favor. As I said, this movie does have a few good moments, one of those being Matthew McConaughey. Matthew McConaughey has been on a roll recently. He has been making fantastic films like Wolf of Wall Street, Mud, The Lincoln Lawyer, Dallas Buyers Club, and Interstellar. And he continues to do that in this film. Matthew McConaughey is without a doubt the best part of this film. I really felt invested in his character and felt like his cause was one you could get behind. In fact, everyone in this film gives universally solid performances. The Free State of Jones is a very well-made film, and you can tell that the director has a lot of knowledge and passion about this subject. But unfortunately, I feel like there is almost an overabundance of knowledge because everything that he's telling you just makes this movie feel like a dull History Channel documentary. All of the good fighting and the militia fighting against the Confederate Army is almost over immediately after it begins. Also, this movie does something where it flashes forward to the 1950s or the 60s. I'm not really sure what time period it is, but it's sometime during the Civil Rights Movement. But it tries to tell you about this civil rights marriage case with these characters that you don't know, that you don't care about, they have no development. They're kind of just thrown into your lap. And it really detracted from the story, and the story of Matthew McConaughey, and the story that I was invested in and trying to learn about, and that was actually somewhat interesting. But this 1950s, 60s, whatever court case adds a solid amount of time to this movie, and I feel like if you would have cut that out, this movie could have been a lot more enjoyable and could have kept going at a better pace. I'm sure that story is very interesting, but in this movie it just doesn't fit. Although The Free State of Jones has great performances and a very interesting story, I just feel like it couldn't escape the dull and boring tone that had on it. Thank you guys for watching today. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, click a link down below and subscribe to my channel to see more movie reviews and movie-related things. And you guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.